Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a Canva design to your Facebook business page. This is a fantastic way to share professionally designed content with your audience, keeping your business page looking polished and engaging. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in to your Facebook business account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page to access it directly. You'll now be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is the central hub where you can manage all your page's content and interactions. From here, locate the What's on Your Mind field at the top of your page. This is the main area where you'll be adding your new content, so keep this tab open as we'll return to it shortly. Now, open a new browser tab and head over to canva.com. If you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your Canva account. For this tutorial, we'll create a simple Facebook content design from scratch. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on the plus Create button. This opens up all the design options available to you. A Create Design window will appear with various categories to choose from. From here, click on the Social Media option. This will filter the templates to show you social media specific designs. Now look for the Facebook option and click on it. You'll be presented with a selection of Facebook content templates that are already sized perfectly for the platform. Browse through the options and choose one that fits your business needs. Then click on it to open the template. You'll now be directed to the Canva editor screen. This is where the creative magic happens. Take your time to customize the content you wish to add to your Facebook business page. You can change colors, fonts, images, and text to match your brand identity. Once you're satisfied with your design, look for the Share button located on the top right part of your screen and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with several sharing options. From the listed options, click on Download. Your design will start downloading to your computer. Depending on the file size, this might take a moment, so be patient while the download completes. Once the download has finished, head back to your Facebook business page where the Create Post window is located. From the Create Post window, click on the Photo/Video option. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer. From here, locate the downloaded Canva content we just created. Click on it to select it, then click on Open. The content will start uploading to your Facebook business page. Give it a few seconds to complete the upload process, and once it's finished, click on Next to proceed. You'll now be prompted to enter a reel title and tags for your Canva content. These help categorize your content and make it more discoverable to your audience. Once you've added these details, click on Next. The next screen will ask you to add a content description. This is your opportunity to provide context, include a call to action, or share additional information about your post. Take a moment to check the post audience settings to ensure you're reaching the right people and review the scheduling option if you want to post it at a specific time. You can also tag people or collaborate with this post if needed. Once everything is configured to your liking, click on Post, and there you have it. Your professionally designed Canva content is now live on your Facebook business page, ready to engage your audience and enhance your online presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.